Hello everyone, you are most welcome in this YouTube channel, and today we are going to install Turbo C++ for the C tutorials. In this series, in this playlist, we all know that we are going to learn about the C tutorials, programming in C. Right, for that we need to install Turbo C++. How to install Turbo C++? Let's see. Okay, now let's get started. First click on this Google search bar and type Turbo C++ latest version download and click on enter. Here is you can see first link Turbo C++ for Windows. Just click on the first link and here you can see download button is there. Download Turbo C++ and click on that. Okay, and now your downloading is about to start. It says your download will start within 3 seconds. Okay, your downloading is start here. You can see, yes, your file is downloaded. Let's see in the download folder. Yes, Turbo C++ is downloaded in your system. Now let's get start to installation process. Just double click on this icon. Okay, it's taking some time. Turbo C 3.2 is there. Click on this icon and here you can see multiple options is there, but you need to click on the setup.exe, which is application, right? And click on that for the installation process. I'm just clicking on that. Your file is extracting right now. After extracting your file, your installation will start, right? Okay, now let's get preparing to install. Just wait a second. Your installation is going on. Okay, here you just click on the next button, right? And accept the terms and license agreement and go to the next, right? And here you just click install button, right? And your install, yes, your Turbo C++ software is about to installed, right? Yes, it is installed. And here just click on the launch button, check this button and finish it. That means your Turbo C++ which will going to start automatically, right? And whenever you click on the finish button, right, just click on that. Okay, your Turbo C++ is open. Start Turbo C++. Your Turbo C++ is installed completely, and here you can write your code whatever you want. Okay, let's write the first code in Turbo C++ and print hello world. So I am going to just write a question here, like write the code, write the program to print hello world. From the any programming, we first print hello world, right? So here we are going to print hello world in this Turbo C++, right? Okay, then we just start include header files in the C program. Hash include stdio.h, and second file is hashtag include new.h. and now it's time to write function void main. Here is space void main, and here you can write whatever you want to print in the print function, printf, and here your message like hello world, double in the between double quotation marks and parenthesis close, and here is semicolon. Now just write get ch to, okay, get ch, and just close your function, and now your program is ready. Your first program is ready to run. Okay, so let's run this program and see what will be the output, right? Okay, I'm just running this program. Okay, so my program is successfully run. The message is whatever we print, hello world is there in the output screen. Okay, let's try again to run this program. Just click on the this menu like run, and just second is run. Like here you can see control plus F9. This is the shortcut to run your program. So just click on that. Okay, here you can see hello world two time, because we have run this program two time, that's why hello world is printing two time. For this we need to use clear screen function in the code. Okay, let's see how we can use it. Here in the function you can just write CLRSCR, that means clear the screen. This is the function to clear your output screen, old one, and just print your latest output screen. Let's see. And now just run your program. Right here you will get only hello world one time, because your previous screen, your older screen, automatically cleared by the clear function, and your latest screen hello world is print in your output. Right, I hope you understand whatever is there in that video. This is the first program in C, and we will explore all over the things in the C tutorials. Okay, thank you so much guys. If you have any question you can comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video.